Kyou no hizuke wa nan desu ka? Ano ang date ngayon? Let's find out. Welcome to YS Online. Ako po ay si Dice, coming to you from the Suzuki Nihongo Learning Center in Quezon City, the Philippines. Last lesson, we learned how to count in Japanese, kung paano magbilang, no? Kung kailangan nyo ng refresher dito, look at the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This lesson, we will learn how to say the date and the days of the week in Japanese. Pag-aralan natin kung paano sabihin ang dates and araw ng linggo. So, ready na ba kayo matuto? Alright, let's get started. First, let's talk about the years in Japanese. Para sabihin kung yung taon in Japanese, maglalagay tayo ng nen or ne for kanji sa dulo ng isang number. So we add nen after every number to say the year. For example, we want to say it's year 2021. Paano natin sasabihin to? Ang taon ay 2021. We simply say 2021 first, so 2021. 2021, and then we add nen. 2021 nen. Alright, now let's discuss the months. Madali lang ang months in Japanese. Ang months sa Japanese ay natutugma sa kung anong bilang niya sa taon and may gatsu sa dulo. So it's just like years or nen, right? Halimbawa, ang January natin ay first month of the year siya, no? So sa Japanese, ang January ay ichigatsu. Ichigatsu. Ang gatsu ay buwan, tapos ang ichi, alam na natin, no? Number 1 sa Japanese. So, ang basa natin sa ichigatsu is month 1 or unang buwan. So, once na natandaan na natin ang rule natin, basically tuloy-tuloy na siya hanggang December. February is the second month of the year, so nigatsu siya. Nigatsu, pangalawang buwan. Now, March is the third month of the year, so it's sangatsu. Sangatsu. So, pangatlong buwan, April, fourth month, shigatsu. Unfortunately, not yongatsu, pero shigatsu siya. Okay? Shigatsu. Isa siyang exception, so memorize na lang natin ito, no? Now, next, what is the fifth month? May. Yeah. So, May, gogatsu. Gogatsu. Pangalimang buwan, no? Now, what about the sixth month? June. Rokugatsu. Pang-anim na buwan. July. Nanagatsu. Well, yeah, kind of, but mostly we say shichigatsu. Shichigatsu. So again, meron tayong exception ulit. Tandaan lang natin yan. Next, we have August. 8th month of the year, so that's hachigatsu. Hachigatsu. And September. For the 9th month, may exception ulit tayo. Iiksiyan ulit natin si Q, gagawin natin siyang ku para maging kugatsu. Kugatsu. Thankfully, after sa kugatsu, no more exceptions na sa months, so tuloy-tuloy na ulit siya. So, October is jugatsu. Month 10 or pang-sampung buwan. November is ju-ichigatsu. Month 11 or pang-labing-isang buwan. And lastly, December, Junigatsu. Month 12 or pang-labing-dalawang buwan. So, for example, gusto natin sabihin na it's March 2021 in Japanese. We say 2021年3月です。2021年3月です。Next, para makompleto natin ang date, let's discuss how to say the day of the month. Since alam na natin ang mga months from January to December or ichigatsu kara 12月まで, ngayon pag-aaralan natin kung paano sabihin ang mga dates sa loob ng buwan. Okay, so there are 31 possible days sa calendar natin, di ba? First, i-fill in muna natin ang mga special words natin. So, ang special words natin ay from days 1 to 10, and then the 20th of the month. Other exceptions are 4th, 14th, and 24th. Kung meron siyang 34th, magkakaroon din tayo ng exception dun. Pero wag na natin isipin yun. Isa-isayin muna natin siya from days 1 to 31. Okay, here we go. So, first is of course day 1, right? The first day of the month. In Japanese, day 1 of the month ay sinasabi natin tsuitachi. Tsuitachi. Normally, di ba kung one day ang sasabihin natin, ichi-nichi. But for the case of saying yung mga days of the month, so kung yung petsa ang pinag-uusapan, day 1 is tsuitachi. Tsuitachi. Sorry guys, simple memorization lang to, okay? So there's no way around it. So, kung gusto natin sabihin, let's say January 1, ganito siya. First month of the year, January, ichigatsu. First day of the month, tsuitachi. So, idugtong natin yung dalawa. Meron tayong ichigatsu, tsuitachi. January 1st. Alright, next one. Second day of the month. Normally, it would be ni nichi, diba? No. Second day of the month is futsuka. Futsuka. Or kung sasabihin natin ng mabilis, hiiksiyan natin ang tsu, so magiging futsuka siya. Futsuka. Alright, third day of the month. Not sannichi, unfortunately, it's mika. Mika. Okay? Now, fourth day of the month, hindi ni siya yonnichi, it's yokka. Okay? Now, fifth day of the month, itsuka. Shorten ulit natin ang tsu pag magpo-pronounce tayo ng mabilis. Now for the sixth day, it's muika. For the seventh day, nanoka. Finally, meron na tayong memorization technique. Ang nanoka, nanggagaling siya sa nana. 7, di ba? So, pag narinig natin or nakita natin yung na sa days of the month, alam na natin na 7 na yan. Okay, next, si 8 of the month, or yoka. So, si yoka, different siya sa yokka, no? Hindi siya yokka, yoka. Ngayon naman, pinapahaba natin siya, yoka. So, medyo mahirap pakinggan, pero again, pag nasanay na tayo dyan, kaya na yan. Next, kokonoka, or 9th day of the month. And the 10th day is toka. Yo naman, no? Papahabain natin si yo, dadagdagan natin ng o para maging mas mahaba ang pronunciation niya. After ng days 1 to 10, ang exception natin ay sa 14th day, Juyokka. That's because of the ending natin, which is 4. So, tandaan natin, if the day ends on a 4, so 4, 14, 24, nagiging yokka siya. So in this case, 14th day of the month is Juyokka. Juyokka. And again, same rule for the 24th, Nijuyokka. Nijuyokka. And last exception for the month is the 20th day. So this time, it's completely different siya sa mga pinag-aralan natin na rules. So, unfortunately, memorization lang to. Ready? Ang 20th day of the month is Hatsuka. Hatsuka. So, yun. Mabilan sa days 1 to 10, 14, 20, and 24, we follow the pattern na sasabihin natin ang number followed by the word nichi for day. So, starting sa 11th day of the month, we have Juichi nichi, 12th day, Juni nichi, 13th day, Jusan nichi, and so on and so forth. Alright, so next topic natin ay ang days of the week. So, di ba sa mga days of the week natin sa English, lahat ng mga words natin natatapos siya ng day. Halimbawa, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So thankfully, meron din tayong ganong system sa Japanese, right? Lahat ng days of the week sa Japan, natatapos siya ng yobi. Tapos, dinudugtong lang siya sa pangalan ng day of the week. So first, sa Sunday tayo. Kind of easy to remember siguro. Why? For Sunday, we have Nichi-yobi. Ang Nichi or Hi, meron siyang ibig sabihin na araw. So, sun. So, ang Sunday natin sa Japanese literally means Sunday talaga. Okay, so sana kaya natin i-memorize kagad yan. Si Sunday is Nichi-yobi. Next is Monday. So Japanese, ang Monday is Getsu-yobi. Getsu-yobi. Ang Getsu naman means moon. Wait, so actually related siya, no? Moon day. Getsu-yobi. Alright, so Tuesday naman tayo. Tuesday in Japanese is Ka-yobi. Ang Ka naman sa Kayobi, ibig sabihin niya is apoy. Ka. So I guess yun ang araw na linggo na kumbaga fired up tayo magtrabaho, no? Malakas ang gana natin magtrabaho. So yun ang Kayobi or Tuesday natin. Next, after ng fire, water naman. Suiyobi. Suiyobi. So I guess after na maging fired up tayo sa trabaho ng Tuesday, water down naman sa Wednesday. Medyo chill muna kasi gitna na siya ng linggo, no? So for our wet Wednesday, meron tayong Suiyobi. Sui or mizu means water. Now for Thursday, Mokuyobi. Ang ibig sabihin ni moku ay puno sa Tagalog. Thursday pa yung araw magtanim ng puno? I don't know. Anyway, Friday naman, Kinyobi. So, siguro madali din itong tandaan. Ang kin sa Tagalog, ginto siya. So, ang Kinyobi natin, parang golden day na natin siya. Siyempre, walang trabaho sa Saturday, di ba? So, ang golden day natin sa linggo, Friday, in Japanese, ganun din siya. Kinyobi. And last but not least, Saturday, or in Japanese, Doyobi. Ang do for doyobi naman means dirt or soil. Lupa, no? Not sure kung paano natin i-memorize yan, pero at least alam natin, Saturday is the day of the soil for the tsuchi, no? Saturday is doyobi. Phew! Okay, so eto na tayo. Nakumpleto na natin ang ating time, days, and months. Now, is the time para ipagsama natin ang lahat na pinag-aralan natin ngayon. Let's try, shall we? Okay, so ang format na ginagamit natin sa Japan pag-explain ng time, month, date is year or toshi or nen sa Japanese, month, tsuki, date, hi, day of the week, yobi. So let's try one together. So let's say Saturday, the 4th of January. Paano kaya natin ito sasabihin? Okay, so pag-isipan muna natin ito ng mabuti. Yossi break muna si Kuya, okay?
A few moments later.
Alright, ready? So, first, as we said, unahin muna natin ang month. So, we have January. January in Japanese is Ichigatsu. Next, the date of the month. So, if we remember, ang 4th day of the month natin is yokka. Not yonnichi, yokka. So, now we have Ichigatsu, yokka. Next naman, days of the week. Saturday is the day of the soil. So, in Japanese, that is doyobi. So, now we have Ichigatsu, yokka, doyobi. Ichigatsu, yokka, doyobi. That's it for today's lesson. So, my question for you today is to write down what date and day of the week you watched this video. So, for example, kung March 30, 2021, Tuesday, we say 2011年3月31日月曜日. So, kayo naman, write down what date you watched this video on the comment section below. From YS Online, my name is Dice. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ja, mata ne. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell para malaman natin kapag may bago na kaming videos para sa inyo. Don't forget to share with your friends so that they might learn a little something new about the Japanese language as well. Make sure to stay tuned to our channel as we tackle lessons from textbooks that will help you pass the JFT exams as well as the JLPT exam, the NAT-Test, and the J-Test. Thanks for watching.